Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at this very nondescript sort of looking box. As you can see, the branding on it is Uphere, who are kind of known for being just a Chinese brand that sell PC parts, or at least I think they're Chinese. But in this box, it's just three sort of cheap case fans. No RGB, no nothing. They're not the best things in the world, but for anyone that needs cheap case fans, like, these are probably not a terrible option. I'm not gonna show like the full box opening sort of thing, because literally all you get in it is three fans like these, just nondescript sort of 120mm fans, and obviously your 12 screws to, like, your 12 chassis screws. But yeah, these fans are, I paid $12.99 for a 3-pack. You can tell that they are not the best fans in the world, simply because they still have a Molex, which does anyone really use, and then they have a 3-pin instead of a 4-pin, so they are pretty much going to be running at full speed the whole time. But like I said, yeah, these are just, yeah, there we go, made in China. I have used Uphere products before. They're not terrible. They're not the best by any stretch of the imagination, but they're not terrible. Yeah, like, we'll go through a couple of the things on their website about these fans, but like I said, like, I'm not here doing a review trying to persuade people to buy these or anything. Like, if you're after, like I said, a cheap set of fans with no frills, no RGB, no stuff like that, then these aren't a bad choice. But their website basically says, like, obviously their bearing is a hydraulic bearing. They say the service life on them is 40,000 hours, but I can't verify that. Obviously, the 120 mils. They say the fan blades are optimized to balance air pressure and airflow. But when we actually look at their sort of product page, so 12 volts, apparently these 1.44 watts. Yeah, they're just generic fans. Their speed is 1200 RPM, their air volume is 38 CFM, and their static pressure is 58 pascals. The noise is apparently less than 19 decibels. And then all three together in the box with the screws is 130 grams. Like it says there, compatible 3-pin connector for motherboard. Also works with Molex 4-pin, but who's using Molex 4-pin? You can get a version of these fans that are slightly more expensive that are PWM, like 4-pin connected, so the speed can be controlled by the motherboard. I will leave a link to these fans in the description below, and then obviously on Amazon there will be links off that page as well to, like, the PWM version or the white versions or so on and so forth. But I mean, they're not a terrible fan. Like, they'll do their job. They will move air throughout your case, which is pretty much what you want them for. As a lot of people know, with case fans you can go really cheap, stuff like this, or you can go stupidly high-end, stuff like Noctuas that are really expensive, some really high-end Corsair fans, like the Lian Li fans, stuff like that. I've never been one that's into massively expensive fans. I don't see the point. They all move air at the end of the day. Yes, some might move a greater volume of air than others do, but you know, like it's one of those things. It depends on what you want to spend. I just don't see the point in spending a ton of money on fans, especially when, like in my case, I'm using an AIO to cool the CPU. So the only thing that really needs cooling is probably parts of the motherboard, like the power delivery, and then the GPU. But the GPU is a triple fan design on the cooler anyway, so the GPU is fine. But yeah, like I said, these are £12.99. That's pounds because obviously I'm in the UK. I will provide a link down below for these on Amazon UK and Amazon US if I can find them. I don't know if you can get them in the US, but I will have a look. But yeah, like I said, not terrible, not great, just your typical cheap fans basically. So I'll just leave this video here. It was only going to be a short one, just looking at these. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Keep liking, subscribing. We just had a notification like come through from YouTube to say that our content is up 58% in view count, which is great. And thank you all for watching. Like, channel's only what, 4 months old now. I've been uploading videos for about 4 months. So we've come a decent way in 4 months. Anyway, we'll have some more reviews coming up soon. And if you've seen the motherboard video for the live mixer ASRock board, I will have a video on the RAM and CPU when I pick them up early next month. But yeah, for now guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch you all in the next video.